10 pulses per second drowned out aviation frequencies worldwide in 1976. July 1976. Soviet Union. Amateur radio operators worldwide. The tapping was relentless. 10 pulses per second, loud enough to drown out aviation and marine frequencies. Operators called it the Woodpecker. Direction-finding equipment traced it to a 150-meter antenna array near Chernobyl. Soviet authorities denied involvement for years, even as the signal grew stronger. Western intelligence eventually identified it as Duga, an over-the-horizon radar designed to detect ICBM launches by bouncing signals off the ionosphere. The system was never officially acknowledged. No operational records have been declassified. The signal stopped in 1989 without explanation. So why does the antenna still stand inside the exclusion zone, completely abandoned? Follow for the next signal.